Have you ever experienced inconvenience from a wet umbrella when riding a bus? Imagine this: a rainy morning, a packed campus bus, and boom! A wet umbrella ruins your favorite clothes. Ugh, worst start to the day. To see if this was just us, we do survey, and guess what? A huge majority of public transit users expressed major frustration over wet umbrellas ruining their commute. So, here is the real problem we found. In a packed bus, we can't shake off the rainwater fast enough, and that creates two big issues: soggy wet clothes and super slippery, dangerous floors. It's a total mess. Naturally, we looked into existing market solutions. The most practical one seemed to be this type umbrella cover, Javara, so our team decided to test it out. But we quickly found two big problems. First, if your umbrella tip doesn't match the hole, you cannot even install it. Second, while pulling it up, the water flows down to your hands and clothes. So your hands and clothes get wet anyway. Super annoying. So we set a clear goal: create a better product that solves compatibility issues and keeps your hands dry. We did lots of tests. Finally, we found the answer. Presenting our product, Umbrella Dryer Hydrain. Thanks to its flexible structure and replaceable pads, it fits any umbrellas and keeps dry. No more wet clothes, no more wet hands.
It's the first stage of design. The product was carried out in the form of a 4 cm diameter, 2-tire body equipped with a handle. In order to quickly check the size of the umbrella cover to see if it fits well, 3D printing was carried out with resin material that can be injected the fastest. But we found problems from the first test. The size of the main body is too small and the material is hard to fit into the umbrella. Also, there was a phenomenon that the absorption pad that was cut to fit the size kept separating. So we started to revise 3 things. First, swing the separated pad. Second, change structure from second to first to reduce force when installed. Third, raised from 4 cm to 8 cm in diameter. This is the second design phase. It is made of flexible TPU material, and even a keyring and rubbering are added to the handle. Did you think about where to put this product when you open the umbrella? When the umbrella is opened, this keyring and rubbering allow the product to be attached to the umbrella handle to reduce the inconvenience of having to store it separately. But we found two problems from this test. The more we go up, the more the product opens up, so all sides of the umbrella were not properly removed. The handle was so big and heavy that the product was tilted to one side. It was time for a major scale adjustment. So we started to revise 3 things again. First, increasing the number of layers of the body. Second, reduce gaps between the body. And third, increase body thickness to reduce excessive flexibility.
This is our team's final design. And this is the final product our team created. When making the product, the injection molding company used resin due to reservation and cost problem. We sewed the edges of the absorbent pad to prevent it from opening up. First, spray water on the umbrella. And use the product and measure the remaining water. This is the amount of water remaining when the product is not used. And this is the amount of water remaining after using the product.
When it rained lightly, almost no water fall.
The inconvenience of water not dripping when riding the bus has been resolved.
I think 5001 is appropriate.
I think 3001 is appropriate.
After using the umbrella and then folding it, then rotate the product and lift it upwards. After use, attach a rubber ring to the umbrella handle for storage. Because the absorbent pad inside our product can be easily attached and detached. When the absorbent pad gets wet after using the product, it can be easily removed, dried, and reused. So our product name is Hydrain. Hydrain has 2 meanings. The first is combination of hydra and drain, meaning to drain water. The The second is a combination of hide and rain, meaning to hide water. The final price of Hydrain is 4,000 won.